Try Sean's Vault free for 14 days.
Rustling aspens behind the camera. It's me, Coach Vigue, my friends. Another under 10-minute non-stop power yoga flow. We're calling this one Dive Into Something. I'll probably get something extra clever, something in a moment. But watch for some dives. Modify as needed, always use control. Please check in below. Subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share this workout with anybody who loves a challenge. Are you ready? We're gonna flow really fast. So no comments saying it's too fast, unless you wanna grab my leg. Okay, let's dive down, forward fold, soften the knees. Couple breaths here, release the spine. I've released my doggy over there too. All right. Whew. Loose. Walk it out to downward facing dog. Let's do 6 steps. 1, 2. As I said, we're moving quickly. 3, 4, 5, 6. Left foot forward, lunge. Work transitions, arms up. Line up the left knee and left ankle. Press the right heel down. Now hinge forward. Set the hands down. Let's switch the feet. I'm on, as always, a little uneven surface. Reaching up. Hinge forward. Again, switch. We want to smooth out the rough edges. One more time. Get that switch in there. And reach. Okay, this calls for some vinyasa power flow with breath. So reach forward. Step back to plank or kick the leg up. Hover, elbows into the sides. Blow the wood off the mat, and then lift up into upward facing dog. What is she doing? And then downward facing dog. Take an extra breath. Work those heels down. Now, left foot forward. Lunge, reach up. A little wobbly, that's okay. I usually come into my own after about 2 minutes. Now, bring it down. We're going to do 2 jumps and then back. Let's do that 4 more times. Oh, precise. There we go. Here's 2. And 3. Matter of time before Addie attacks me. 1 more time. Lift up and let's flow. Vinyasa flow. With breath, with control, and then downward facing dog. Okay, right foot forward. Little cardio burst there. Shoulders back and down. 5 times that double jump. And then reach, focus. There's 2. 3 more. 3. Hey, sweetheart. Okay, wow. She's leaving me alone, but she's throwing me off. Almost. But I shall prevail. All right, there's 5. Forward, flow. Elbows into the sides. Up dog, shoulders back. Squeeze the glutes. And then downward facing dog. Okay, left foot up. Give me a warrior 2. Arms out. Reach. Fingers down, extended. Nice long stretch. Right hand down, left arm up. Twist. Extend the arm. Step back. Down dog. Other side. Out. Reach. Down. And twisted. Very effortless movement. And then reach. Vinyasa flow. Shoulders in front of the wrists. Up dog. Open the chest. Downward facing dog. Okay, 1 more time. Let's do that. Warrior, reach, extend. You can always do this whole routine again and again. Reach, down, step. Other side. Focus. We're getting to the dives, don't worry. Get on that high dive. We used to have the high dive at our West Salem pool. Too many people hit their head on it and they got rid of it. So don't do that here. Okay. Downward facing dog. Take a breath. Oh, squeeze the breath from the lunge. Walk the hands back. Rise up. 2 shoulder rolls. Okay, arms up. And then dive down. Forward fold. I'm a little excited. We're going to be adding that dive. Let's go. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Left foot forward, lunge. Tuck in the shirt. Now diving into standing splits. Bring it up. It's just a flicker of warrior 3. Hands come down, lift. Back to lunge. Let's do it 4 more times. Dive. Be careful with this one as always. Let's see that control. And up. And back. Not bad, not bad. Stay focused. 2 more times. Up. Dive and down. Pop it up. Lunge. Once more. Effortless, effortless. Think weightless as you move through the flows. All right, vinyasa flow. Ooh, squeeze it out, squeeze it out. Elbows into the ribs. Every fiber of the being working together. This is not going to end well. Downward facing dog. All right, Addie's happy. Right leg up, sweep it forward. Okay, shoulders back and down. Arms up. 5 of our dives. The whole body moving as one. It's almost too much to comprehend, but let's do it. And then press back. This side, little wobbly. That's good. With every rep, let's smooth it out. And then back. Like a superhero. Dive man. 3 more times. Press up. Oh, and then back. I'm on a surfboard all of a sudden. 2 more times. And press. Good. Light. Very light. Once more. Dive. Press it back to lunge. That ought to do it. Let's keep going. Vinyasa flow. Down, 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 down. Work those arms. Work those shoulders. Up dog. Downward facing dog. Little boat vinyasa. I want you to walk or jump forward. Come down. Half boat. 2 breaths. Stabilize. Cross the legs. Jump back to plank. Vinyasa. Down. Up dog. Down dog. 2 more times. Boat vinyasa. Bring it forward. You can take the arms all the way out if you wish. Little change of scenery and pace. Cross, down. Squeeze the glutes. Down dog. 1 more time. And here we go. In the nose and out the nose. All right, cross. Take your time. Coming down. Resistance is good. It's also futile. I am the Cucius of yoga. Downward facing dog. Walk it 10 steps. 1, add a twist. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk the hands back and rise up. Rise. Shoulder rolls.
You know what? That was great.
Great work, my friend. It's Coach Vigue. If this workout helped, please hit that like button, subscribe to never miss a workout, and comment below. Check in below. Let me know you're here. And take your training to the next level with me every darn day of the year by signing up for my free 14-day trial of this. own my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes. Over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies.
Well, I didn't know she was allowed back here. Whoa! Woo!